Hey guys! I'm hoping everybody's keeping real busy and enjoying their downtime. Might as well enjoy it, right? Getting a lot of work done around the house, or helping somebody else get a lot of work done around their house, whatever you might be doing. But and hopefully you got a little time for creativity, because that's what I'm doing right now, and you must enjoy that because you're watching this video. So I have been making these last about 4 or 6 paintings I'm pretty excited about, because eventually I want to ease on some large paintings that I really like. And right now I'm still like testing a lot of different colors and different mixtures, trying to come up with something that I really like. But anyways, that's what's going on here. But I'm having a good time, and I don't know what else to say other than I think I'll just pull you down and we're gonna get started. Maybe. Okay. When I'm painting, I usually reuse my cup. And because a lot of times I'll usually if some of a color that I might not be using shows up in the cup, I usually like that little added difference sometimes it brings. And if you're doing this kind of painting, you have to be open to surprises, because that's what you're gonna get. As I used to say, sometimes it's like Christmas morning. It can be amazing and it might not be so great. So, let's see. I love starting with the white. Sometimes I'll start with a different color, but not so much lately. These are it's already thickened up, I think. I used it like 15 minutes ago and it was fine. All I added was just a little bit of water. That's it. Oh, jeez, oh Pete, I forgot to tell you. I got more paint on my face. Okay, all of my colors are Liquitex. Sometimes I accidentally say latex instead of Liquitex. So sorry about that. I've noticed that. And because I usually don't listen to these videos afterwards, and I try to correct it, and every once in a while I'll forget. Okay, there we go. That's better. And the description has what the base that is mixed up with all the colors. You know, I got a little tiny bit, just a little smidgy left of this green. It's thickened up too. I'm just going to add a drop of water to it. And I'm going to hold it up high, and so it'll run down through all of these. If it's runny enough. If not, it'll sit right on top. Ugh. All right, that's okay. We'll take what we get, right? So I'm not digging it out of there. Okay. Bum, ba-dum, bum. I'm gonna add a little touch of white, just a little bit. Okay. I think this canvas is 8 by 10. And I've been really enjoying doing the black. And what the black's going to do, I'm going to pour a little bit in the middle, dump my paints on top. And what the black does, it's going to give it a ride to the sides. As I like to say, it gives it an Uber ride to where I want it to go. Sometimes it's where it wants to go. Actually, more than I. Alrighty, guys, here's our cup. And it's ready to rock. I like to wiggle into the paint a little bit. And then I like to shake a lot of this, little strippies everywhere. Because I feel it gives it a little bit of a design that you can kind of, guide around. I think Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, by the way, I've enjoyed seeing some of her videos. I don't normally watch hardly any of the videos because I'm busy with my own stuff, but when I wasn't painting, I had to pick up a couple of those. And I thought, oh, hopefully it ain't gonna be too busy. Well, little things I like going on. There might be too many little things. That could be a problem. All right. I'll just move it around and see what we can get to happen. Sometimes I'll see right at the very beginning something I really, really love and don't want to lose. And then other times I'm praying something shows up. I can't remember what I've told you about this, but besides the bases in the description, so I've added like a drop or two of silicone to all the colors. Not white and black. The white and black is straight. Latex paint this time. All I'm doing is I'm on a little bit of interest over in here. I may end up pouring it off, but I'm not real sure at this point. So I just thought, hey, why not? Ooh, this one's beautiful. I'll tell you what, I've been having such a great time tonight. And the thing is, sometimes it's so hard to decide when you like it all, what part's got to go, for the sake of the composition a little bit. I think what I started to say, or did I say this already when I'd watched some of the Karen's things, she was calling that lip and flip or something when she was dragging the cup through there. Oh, geez, you guys. I'm in love. Oh, man. Oh. Is there a way to block that out of here? Do that. Get that light off of there. Trying to make sure you can see the whole thing. But you tilt it, just don't want to lose anything. I'm gonna take it back to where I think it should be. Oh man, I'm in love. I'm glad I made this video and I can see what's in there, just so you know. think, I'm not real sure, but I was afraid that that purple had, I think, more than a cup. Usually I had just a couple drops of the silicone, and I had bought a newest silicone, and I don't see it right here, and it was in a couple of the older colors, and man, oh, it's not in this one. Oh, it might be. Oh, spilt some of that. Oh, anyways, then that stuff made so many cells that it was way too many. So I don't quit using that after a couple of paintings. So I went back to the treadmill oil, which is usually kind of perfect. So anyways, guys, well, I'm having a great time. Hopefully you're enjoying watching these, because I'm having fun. And if you have any questions, write them below, and if I can answer them, I will. So, I don't know. Talk to you soon. Bye.